Okay, here we are picking a Mustang 2011. Beautiful color, but it's got a crack on the windshield while driving. He just hit by a stone with the tractor trailer he mentioned. Okay, so as far I'm gonna tell it, it's got a lower front bumper. So I have the wooden lifter, wooden block lifter. So I'm just gonna put it under the tire right here. Actually, I'm gonna need to move my little bit of bed forward. So this is how it's gonna work. We got a fuel issue, but still runs, so we should be okay.